Welcome to Survive in Dusun. Building a house in the forest has always been a dream for many people. And in this video you can watch step by step how one man builds a cozy mini house inside a giant tree trunk. Deep in the wood, from the first cut on the lawn, the careful planning of the layout, to the last screw on the furniture. Every detail of building a house in the forest is shown in a slow, satisfying way that feels like real life ASMR construction. You will see how Hada shakes the small cabin, installs the floor, builds the walls, adds windows, and finishes the interior so this forest house becomes our and functional tiny home. This video is perfect if you like watching couple building a house in the forest, tiny house builders of great cabinets, Woodcraft projects, and realistic, cinematic building videos with talking, in this calm and playful film. Building a house in the forest is more than just a construction project. It becomes a story about simple living, creativity, and finding comfort in nature. As you watch him building a house in the forest, you can hear only natural sound, tall footsteps on wood, fire crackling, birds singing, and the wind between the trees, creating a strong ASMR atmosphere. The video gives you inspiration for anyone who dreams of building a house in the forest, designing their own tiny house, or creating a minimalist cabin in the woods for weekend escapes and upgrade life. Use this video as background for studying, relaxing, or falling asleep while imagining yourself slowly building a house in the forest, one piece of wood at a time. What you will see in this video: the complete process of building a tree house in the forest, from site exploration, tree selection, structural design, and frame assembly to interior finishing and lighting setup, choosing and preparing natural material, joining wooden beams, securing foundations, and waterproofing the structure. Step-by-step installation of sustainable materials such as bamboo floors, rope bridges, and elevated decks, design and construction of cozy interiors that blend natural aesthetics with practical living space, adding finishing touches like LED lighting, natural ventilation, and outdoor platforms for relaxation and scenic views. Video still dan experience. This video is filmed as a cinematic ASMR documentary of a forestry house build. Smooth camera movement and ultra-clear visuals capture the sound of nature, tools, and craftsmanship without narration or background music, fully immersing you in the playful process of construction. How you can use this video as educational and inspirational content for architecture, the building enthusiasts, and nature lovers. Visual reference for creative builder, eco-architect, or workshop presentations focused on sustainable housing design.